Hi there. This is quite a random video that I was not planning to make, but this thing, Grunman CG520B, saved our butt because we had a lot of overgrown weeds in the back of the house, and I don't think even a tiny bit weaker grass cutter could have done what this thing has done. We couldn't even use the wire on this thing. We needed to use this, and even this kind of took a beating, but I will show you through what it was able to cut, and it's quite impressive. So if you are using a grass cutter for areas that have a lot of overgrown big weeds, I don't know, thicker even than my finger, this thing is the perfect thing. I don't have any experience with this sort of stuff, but seeing yesterday what it could do, it's just great. And yeah, loud as hell, but hey, that's just a disadvantage, and it's a bit heavy. So if you just have a small surface and are just cutting really thin stuff, this is overkill for sure. But if you are cutting what I will show you in a moment, this is the go-to tool. And we had zero problems with it since I think it's from 2018. It should even write on it somewhere. Yeah, here. So since it was bought, zero problems whatsoever, apart from the fact that we completely changed the harness for it. The one that it came with was crap, so we bought another one. I think it's a universal one, and with that one it's perfect. The tool itself, again, the harness is crap on it. Let's make some fuel mixture. In 500 milliliters of petrol, we put 15 milliliters of oil. So let's get to it. Okay, we have the pink mixture now, and you simply pour it in there. This is a simple cap, nothing special about any of them. Okay, now you need to pump that thing right there about 8 times. Let me try and show it to you. That thing, you pump it. It's basically a pump for the fuel to make sure you have fuel in the lines. And now you simply start it. Yeah, this needs to be on the on. Now that the biggest things have been cut, we will switch back to the dead thing. So we need to undo this with the included tools. you lock it. It has a hole that locks the rotation, and we should be replacing it any moment. And yes, the nut is a self-locking one, and that just goes in place, at least in theory. Yeah, it has a thread, a reverse thread to the normal threads that you are used to, lefty loosey, righty tighty. This is lefty tighty. And that's about it. And it has the standard push to release mechanism, so you just push it down while working and it will release some of this thing. And yeah, it will cut it by itself at the correct length with this thing. And yeah, this thing did its job. Now we'll let this sit for a while and give it another go with this. And this is the harness that my father was wearing. It has ton of adjustments, protection obviously, it's padded, it's still a quite cheap one, but much better than the one that came with the cutter itself. So make sure you get one of these, it will do a huge difference. Okay, just to wrap up this video, we've been using this thing for a while now, obviously even with the wires, and this performs beautifully, but it's a bit heavy, so this is for more extensive tasks. If you have a really small surface, not big thick weeds like you saw in my video, then this is a bit overkill. But if you have a surface that's bigger and you can, more remote maybe, that you can cut the grass fewer times on it, yes, this thing is awesome and will do the job. And yeah, that's about it. And yeah, the original harness is crap, so you need to buy a new one, that's for sure. That's about it for this video. Hope it helps you. In which case, please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.